Hi everyone, welcome to Betrayal, my YouTube channel. Dear friends, I am back with my Hot Wheels showcase, and this is our car for view and unboxing. This pretty Jeep is Range Rover Velar from HW Factory Fresh series, 4 of the 10 from the series, and car number 237 out of 250 international case. Our pretty baby is ready for view and unboxing on the showtime. Dear friends, our Jeep of the year is here, the Range Rover Velar. Nobody can deny this is the most beautiful Jeep from the Hot Wheels 2019 release. You guys can check, the finishing is just splendid from everywhere. Here are front bumpers, tail lights with the license plate, black windows, black roof, 10 spoke wheels, great details on the front side with the Range Rover grille. Love this baby. Thank you Hot Wheels for giving me this, and thank you so much for you guys watching this. Please give a big like to the video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, have a lovely day. Bye bye.